Do you know that stress-related ailments are the #1 reason for annual physician visits? Make no mistake about it, untreated stress enables other potentially debilitating conditions such as high blood pressure, abnormal heartbeat, blood clot, low fertility, low sexual drive, painful menstrual period, neck, shoulder, and low back pain, headaches, upset stomachs, and loss of concentration to flourish. Stress also worsens skin problems such as acne, causes irritability, and negatively affects your mood. Chronic stress often leads to depression and a very poor quality of life. You do not have to live like this. The complete guide on stress and stress management shows you how to recognize the signs of stress and gives you proven techniques to help you effectively manage stress. What value do you attach to a life you can live on your own terms without negative consequences of stress? You decide. The complete guide on stress and stress management also covers post-traumatic stress disorder with tips on how to address this condition. Make the decision to live a higher quality of life today by reading the complete guide on stress and stress management.